When I was in high school and after I graduated, I worked at that building right there. It was called Cairo Nursing Home. It was Japanese. I don't know if it's still run by the same people that run the Boyle Heights Cairo Nursing Home. I don't even know if it's the same name, but let's drive by. Welcome to Living in Los Angeles, my YouTube real estate channel. Where I used to work right here. It's still Japanese theme. That was a long time ago. It's like 35 years ago. So Cairo Nursing Home, and then it was called, I forgot the other nursing home, but it was right here on this corner was the sister nursing home of Cairo, and then Cairo, there's another one in Boyle Heights. In this video, we're going to an open house right here in Lincoln Heights. It's off Broadway, North Broadway, excuse me, and Thomas Street. So you could see across the street the hills behind Lincoln High School. That used to be Rose Eye Clinic on the corner. Now it's a huge commercial building. So here we are on, I'll leave the description of the property in today's video. So it's an alley. So it's a private little street with a shared easement, pretty sure. Oh, there's a Doberman dog. So me being a big chicken, I'm gonna wait for the car to see if they move out. If not, we're not gonna go in. I'm not gonna risk getting jumped by a dog. Look, there's a big doggy. I have big dogs, so I know it's either they're sweet or the opposite. So if we can't go in, then we'll just try to look for a different property. Let's go to the corner, see if we could waste some time. So I remember my grandma used to take the 45 thing across the street. It was one building. It was called Rose Eye Clinic. Now it's part of the County of LA. There's dental and medical and some other businesses in there. Then we used to go to eat at this restaurant on the other corner, kind of where that person is in the orange vest. And there's Lincoln High School. There's the 45 that I was talking about. My grandma used to take that bus. All right, if we can't get in, then we're just gonna check out a different open house. I'll just post some photos of the listing. But Here's the photos from the multiple listing service. So there's 8 photos. It says that there's been a lot of new updates to this property, so I think you should check it out. And there's also school information and a mortgage calculator if you're interested. At least you get to see how the surrounding area is. This little house next door looks like it was probably one of the first here in the neighborhoods. Okay, I think what we'll do, just so we don't waste time, I'll post the photos after this video, and then we'll just leave it as that's our tour for the day. Hello. Oh, there's a dog again. All right. Oh, look at that little chihuahua. So we're gonna head out. I'll leave the photos, but at least you get an idea of what the neighborhood looks like. Like and subscribe to my channel. This was a short video. I'm sorry, I usually am pretty confident and brave, but when it comes to animals, I never, I don't know. I just don't want to take any chances. So anyhow, have a nice weekend. There's a general hospital. See you soon.